So you've heard about Algo but don't know where to start? How to deploy your strategy? What is a good strategy? Whether the system will start taking orders at will? How can I stop it? Today we're going to answer all these questions and help you start your algo trading journey. Hi, I'm Chintan and I'm part of AlgoTest, and today we are going to look at how you can start your algo trading journey with AlgoTest. So come on and let's start. AlgoTest is India's #1 algo trading platform. We have more than 10,000 traders trading on our platform on a daily basis and more than 50 brokers with which you can trade your strategies. But before we start, we need to understand what is algo trading. Algo trading is basically automation of your trading logic. But does that mean the computer starts taking trades at will? Will it start buying and selling options at will? Will it start buying and selling stocks in your portfolio? No, that is not it. The system or the algo only takes trades as per the logic given by you. So, in conclusion, an algo strategy only automates your idea and no one else. Now let's come to an idea or a strategy. What if I'm not good at making a strategy or I don't have an idea? Don't worry, on AlgoTest we have pre-built strategies given by SEBI-Registered research analysts from which you can pick and choose. So without further ado, come, let's explore the land of algos. So this is the AlgoTest platform. It is very easy to sign up with your phone number and OTP or with your Google sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to simply log in, and here we are. If you have logged in for the first time, there will be a short onboarding. Once you have finished your onboarding, you will come to the dashboard. Alright, there are many products that we have to offer, but today we are going to specifically talk about the marketplace, or inside the marketplace, RA Algos. Algos given by SEBI-Registered research analysts. So the one algo strategy that we are going to discuss in detail today is given by our co-founder himself, Raghav Malik, and the strategy name is Nifty Dhurandar. Let's check out what the strategy is and how it operates in the market. Alright, so I'm going to search for the strategy. It will come if you scroll down. Here it is, Nifty Dhurandar DTE 234. What is DTE 234 and what does it stand for? We are going to discuss in some time. So I'm just going to click on this strategy and I'm going to get some backtested results. Now what is backtesting? Backtesting is running this strategy on historical data. Basically, you do not want to enter the market blind. You need to know if I am deploying a strategy, how it has performed in the past. If it has performed really well, chances are I'll be more comfortable deploying that strategy. But if a strategy has performed really poorly in the last 1 year, then chances are that I might not go for that. So here we come to the strategy and we try and look at some of the stats for it. In order to look at the stats, I am going to backtest it over a 2-year period. Why 2 years? Because this would be more representative of the strategy over a longer period of time. Alright. So the margin required, as you remember, was 1,50,000 for this strategy. That is what you require to run this strategy. The win percentage is 62%, the loss percentage is 37%. The backtested overall PNL is 2 lakh rupees. The maximum drawdown is 13,000 rupees. Alright. What is a drawdown? The reduction in your profit when a loss comes is your drawdown. Alright. It can be over a few trading periods. See, on day 1, 2, 3 you suffered a loss. So if you cumulate that, your profit for that month has reduced by that amount, and the maximum drawdown this strategy has suffered over the past 2 years was 13,000. Alright. The maximum profit it earned in a single trading session is 21,600. The maximum loss is 10,800, and this is my PNL curve for the last 2 years. The days selected for this strategy by the RA is DTE 234. What is DTE? DTE is nothing but simply days to expiry. How many days are left to expiry? So as per the RA, run this strategy on DTE 2, DTE 3 and DTE 4. But what does it mean as per weekdays? So essentially you need to run it on Friday, Thursday and Wednesday. Those 3 days you need to run this strategy. How to run this strategy, we are going to go in detail in this video itself. So sit back and relax and wait till the end. Alright. Now we have looked at the overall stats. If I see the percentages, you can see over the past 2 years, it has made a back tested profit of 150%. But what is this? Is this representative? Is this real? Or is this just historical data? I want to make it clear to everyone, this is just the back tested historical data. Is this representative? Not yet. Because in the real world, you face real charges, taxes and slippage. Now what are these? Taxes and charges, everyone knows, whenever you get a contract note, you get the statement, this is the STT, this is the exchange charges, this is the GST, so on and so forth for every trade you take. You need to give these charges irrespective of if you are in profit or loss, alright. So first, we need to add these charges. Second thing, slippages. Now what are slippages? Say you wanted to buy Reliance at 1,000 rupees, but when you place the order, you got it at 1,005 or 1,003 or 1,002. This 2 rupees you pay extra is your slippage. Alright, you can have a slippage of 0.5%, 1%, 2%, that depends on many factors. Alright, and the third most important is the brokerage. You need to pay your broker the brokerage. This is a cost every trader needs to bear. So if all these three costs are genuine, then you need to add them to these results to get more genuine results. So let's do that. Alright. So I'm going to add my charges. First thing I'm going to add, okay, the taxes and charges are already calculated and added. Second thing is the slippage, which is 0.5%, since this is a Nifty strategy. And the third is brokerage. Alright. And this is the result. My P&L, which was at 150% for 2 years, went down to 84%. And my drawdown, which was at 10%, went up to 13%. Now this is the reality. This is what it happens. Whenever you see your P&L on your broker screen or the app, that is not your real P&L. You haven't added your brokerage or your taxes. Alright. And whenever you're back testing, you also need to add slippages. We have added all of these, and here is our result for the last 2 years. Alright. Now let's come to the strategy. Okay, the results look good, everything looks good. The name of the strategy is Nifty Dhurandar. But what does it do? You may ask. So guys, this is an option selling strategy. First of all, this is a completely hedged strategy. For those who do not know what hedge is, so you're buying the wings or the hedges before you sell an option. That is why you are able to do an option selling strategy in merely 1.5 lakh rupees. Alright. Second thing, most important thing, it is a selling strategy, it is a Nifty strategy, it is a hedge strategy, and it is a STBT strategy. Sell today, buy tomorrow. So we will be selling on day 1 and closing our positions on day 2. Alright. We will be selling in the morning of day 1. And we will be closing our positions at 9:16 on day 2. Alright. That's the fourth aspect of this strategy. The fifth insight about this strategy, how we have managed to reduce the capital required for this strategy is simply by not running it on expiry day. Alright. So I am not running it on DT1 or DT0. So expiry and 1 day before expiry. Why? Because I want to avoid the increase in margin for expiry day. That is why I have been able to reduce my margin requirement, although my profit has also reduced, but because my margin requirement is less, my ROI is higher had I used this strategy on DT1 and DT0. Alright. So these are the main aspects about the strategy. Let me summarize. It's a Nifty strategy. It's an option selling strategy. It's a completely hedged strategy. It is a BTST strategy, and to avoid increase in margin, we are not running it on DT1 and DT0. So we are not running it on Monday and Tuesday, but when are we running it? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Alright. So let's say that we like this strategy. How to move ahead? Very simple. We are going to do all the steps today on how to save this strategy and run this strategy every day. So first of all, we are going to save and trade. As soon as I click that, I see the unlock button. I'm going to click on unlock and the paywall comes up. The monthly charge for this strategy is 1500 rupees plus taxes. But if you take the quarterly plan, it is for 3600 rupees plus taxes. Alright. So let's take the 1 month plan, unlock it. As soon as you click on unlock, you see the Razorpay paywall. As soon as you make the payment, the strategy will be unlocked for you. And while it is unlocked, you will also have to finish your KYC and MITC. So I'm going to add my PAN here, date of birth. This is a mandate for all the registered RAs. Submitted for, oh, KYC verified, all good. MITC, okay, I'll enter my name, email, city, go through the MITC process, enter my Aadhaar, send OTP, and we're done. Simple process. Like the algo, bought the algo, did the KYC, did the MITC, and we're ready to go. If you have any issues with this process, we have a Telegram channel. I'll be putting the link below in the video description where you can ask Nikhil and he will help you step by step. Alright, now what to do? You've bought the algo, you've liked the algo, you want to run it. So I will go to Algo Trade, click on RA Algos, found the strategy and now I'm going to activate it. Before you activate, you need to remember when to activate. Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays only. Not on Monday, not on Tuesday. Simple as that. But in this whole process, we haven't added our broker. How will AlgoTest get to know who's your broker and where to fire your orders? Very simple. We go to broker setup, search for a broker and integrate it with AlgoTest. Again, if you need help with this, if you need help with the onboarding after you've made the purchase, click on the Telegram link below and we will handhold you and get you to automating your strategy. Another fun fact, if you run this strategy with Upstocks, your brokerage is 10 rupees an order and not 20. That is an exclusive offer that Upstocks is giving to all AlgoTest users. Alright, let's summarize where we are today. So we started as someone who was interested in algo. We understood what an algo is. Now we know the computer doesn't take random trades. Now we know the computer just automates our strategy. Coming to the strategy, we have this platform called AlgoTest. Under AlgoTest, we have RA Algos where SEBI-Registered research analysts have given up their strategies. We selected a strategy, Nifty Dhurandar. We liked the backtested results. We added expenses to it. We added brokerage to it. We added taxes to it. And we added slippages. Post adding these charges, we saw the results and the results were still good. We went ahead with purchasing this algo strategy, finished the KYC, finished the MITC, and automated our strategy. If you want to know anything about this process and start your journey in the world of algos, feel free to reach out to us on our Telegram channel, our special RA Algos Telegram channel, where we will help you with the strategy that meets your conditions, onboard you, and guide you with what works best for you. I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you in more such videos in the future. Thank you and bye.